Hello guys, welcome back to Double J. So today we are going to unbox the new Samsung Galaxy Buds. So I just got it today. So if you like this video, just please subscribe and support us. So if you want to see our new Samsung Galaxy S71 unboxing, click right here and also follow our Instagram page for more information right here. Let's get started. To unbox the thing, also we need this and also this. Right here, we got it. So let's get started. So we're gonna unbox this. So right here we have this and it's well packed. Easy. The paper, and this is from Samsung. It's just a receipt and saying Galaxy Buds Black. That's all. So let's unbox this. So this is the thing. So let's cut it. So right here. Ta-da! Okay, let's see what we have here. So this is like the manual guide and all stuff. So this is the term and conditions, the start guide, and nothing else. So let me see what is inside this box. Maybe the charger. It's probably the charger. This is the ear thing, like you put it. And this is the charger for it. I'll just open and show you guys. So this is USB type C. So we have this, and we have a lot. We have this. We have a lot of things right here. Yeah, that's all. So the fun part is, here is it. So let me unbox it. This is so cool. So when I opened it, there's a light here and there's a left and right. Yeah, this is so cool. So now it's time to set up. Here's my new Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. Here is it. So just got it. It's a new one. Okay, so we can set up. So first, it's an easy step. So I just opened this, and it's gonna show. See. So now we press. I'll just take it in my hand. Now we press connect. Down, just click allow for everything. So you update it. So we have to install the thing. Now the Galaxy Buds is connected. Let's try them on. Hello guys, welcome back. So that's all for today's unboxing. I hope you liked the video. So if you like the video, please leave a like and a comment below, and please subscribe and support Double J's. So thank you for watching. See you next time with a new video. Bye.